Hello and welcome back to another daily chart analysis video. We're about an hour in towards the Tokyo session, so we're just going to record it a bit early, but it'll still apply. Most things should still apply. So going straight into it, Australian yen, it looks like we're going into an uptrend today, and as a result of the New York session that we just had, it definitely went in through to the zone of prediction. Just be mindful, it is consolidating here for a bit. So if anything, trade carefully, as this zone could be, it looks like a very consolidating zone. So it could continue in this trend here. So if anything, the pullback would be about this zone right here. Once it crosses that, then it will be in a downtrend. Otherwise, it will still be an uptrend for the Tokyo session that's about to start soon. Pound yen, as predicted, it actually did a bit of a pullback in the New York session, but it's still in a definite downtrend, no doubt about that. There's no higher high, there's all lower lows. If anything, this is also another consolidation. So yesterday wasn't eventful for these two pairs so far. Let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks like it did a move, definitely pulled back from the trade. So it was here at the New York start, and we were expecting a pull, so it pulled back a little bit and then it bounced straight up. So that would have been a very good trade on this indicator right here, and it did touch the 10 RSI, but unfortunately I did not enter this trade. Otherwise, it's still a good analysis. So if anything, during Tokyo session, you can still take on the uptrend. Let's just check the 4-hour and the daily. So they're definitely in a downtrend. So having seen that, we are in a descending channel right here. So we will revert this back to a downtrend. This is now a downtrend. And this is the pullback zone. And there's a bit of a bias there too, but also the half line trend is also red, so it also indicates that we are in a downtrend direction. Moving on to the NAS. So obviously this is the Tokyo session. We do not trade this here, just because there's a bit of a variety there. The pair, it does look like it's moving towards an uptrend, or a reversal even, but it is consolidating, so we'll leave it as that for now. The half trend line does indicate that it's moving towards an uptrend, but we won't do any changes here. We'll wait for signals to apply during the day. Plus we don't trade this during Tokyo anyway. So we should be fine. And lastly, the gold pair. So during the New York session, it did move very, very high. As we analyzed during the New York, and I believe it will continue that trend. So wait for a pullback, and then we'll enter a trade. Definitely take any trades that are up in the long. According to the 4-hour though, there is a downtrend, so be careful of that. If anything, this will be a pullback on the 4-hour chart, but it's definitely in trend for the 1 hour. And that's it for analysis. Again, for the daily and weekly analysis, double check the video on Monday, and thanks for watching.